Hi everyone, this is Lynn Bello, and in this tutorial I will be demonstrating Google Docs. To get there, type login.muhlenberg.edu into your browser, enter your Muhlenberg password, from the application portal here, select G Suite, and the default Google app that will open will be your Muhlenberg email. And from here, click this grid icon in the upper right. This will give you a nice drop down of additional Google apps, and select Docs for Google Docs. On this screen, click the plus sign to start a brand new document. And now you are inside a Google Doc. So the first thing you can do is give your document a title. And to do that, simply click where it says Untitled Document, then backspace, and add your document's title. Click Enter. So this is a really nice tool that you can be using to write your team papers because of the collaboration that it allows. Unlike Microsoft Word, for example, Google Docs allows multiple users to access this document at any time to add their contributions. You can be working at it at the same time. You could all be logging in at different times from different places and adding your contributions and your comments and your edits, etc., which is something that you can't do with a Microsoft Word document, for example. So if you're the first individual to create this Google Doc, you will then have to share it with your team members so that they can actually get in and do things with the document. And in order to do that, simply click on the share button in the upper right, and you can either enter the email addresses of your team members here. I'm just going to enter my supervisor's name for the sake of demonstration. Whenever you add email addresses, you also have the option of adding a note before you send it off, which is kind of nice. The other thing you can do is get a shareable link and do it that way. So once you have this link, you can copy it and then you can paste it on your own into an email if you wanted to send it that way. But what's important here too is that you have some control over who can view the document once that link is generated. So I'll click the down arrow here and I'm going to click more. This will bring you to the link sharing options. So I'll just let you read through these on your own, but I think the safest access feature is to select this one. Anyone at Muhlenberg College with the link will be able to access your document. So select this one so that your team members will be able to click on the link and have a go to this document. And the second most important thing is to be able to give all of your team members editing rights. And to do that, you have to click this down arrow here and select can edit, so that anyone at Muhlenberg College with the link can edit. If it is stuck on can view, that means that they would be able to see the document but not do anything in it. So really important to make sure that you have their access rights as can edit, and then save it. And cancel this out, and then I'm done. I'm going to enter a little bit of text here, if you just give me a moment. And so I just want to show you that you not only can all of you on your team, once it's shared among you, come in and write in this document whenever you log in. You are also able to add comments to what you've written, what somebody else has written, and the way to do that is to use this plus symbol here. So before you add the plus symbol, you want to make sure your cursor is right before the the bit of text that you are writing the comment about. And so I have it next to this word blag here. I'm going to select the comment button here, and I'm going to write a little comment to myself. Okay, so I just told myself that I misspelled the word blah. And when you select enter, they'll show up on the side here, so you can take a look at each other's comments and you can work that way. I'm not going to go over every single tool in the toolbar here. These tools look very similar to Microsoft Word if you're familiar with Word. The only other thing I want to point out right now is that if you would like to download this document to your machine, just select File and then Download As, and then you have a choice in terms of the type of file you can download it as. A Microsoft Word or PDF would be the most common choices. So that is there. You can insert different types of things into your document. So this is all I wanted to cover really in this tutorial. If you are working through docs and you get stumped and you would like an individual consultation, please feel free to reach out. I'm reached most easiest through my Muhlenberg email. My office is in Trexler Library, B06 in the Hive. So if you hear the Hive, that name floating around, that's the name of the office where the digital learning team is located. And I'm hoping that this was helpful. And again, if you need help, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.